how to transfer players in FC25. So if a player has moved club and it's not updated yet and you want to get ahead of the game, this is very easy to do. From the home page here, come up to the top left and select this little cog. Then you want to go to Edit Teams, then Club Transfers here. Then you want to select the club where you want to transfer the player from, so let's go to Real Madrid. Then you want to select the player who you want to transfer, so let's transfer Kylian Mbappe in this case. So we'll select him, then we can select the country, and let's select Arsenal for instance, then press select, and Kylian Mbappe will be transferred to Arsenal, and he'll be playing for Arsenal in the game from now on. As you can see, when we select someone else like Vinicius Jr., he is still at Real Madrid, but Kylian Mbappe now has the Arsenal logo as he plays there. If you ever want to put everything back, you can come back out and select Reset All Squads, and this will put all the transfers you've made back in their place. So that's how to transfer players in FC25.